Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit the navigation bar on Squarespace. This is essential for customizing your website's look and making sure your visitors can easily find what they're looking for. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to edit the navigation bar. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're selecting the correct one. This will open up the specific site's management area. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on Edit Site. This button takes you into the live editing mode where you can make real-time changes to your website. After clicking it, you'll see an Edit button appear. Go ahead and click that to start customizing with the editor. Now locate your navigation bar at the top of your page. Once you've found it, click on Edit Site Header. This opens up all the customization options specifically for your navigation area, giving you full control over how it looks and functions. If you want to add extra features to your navigation, click on Add Elements. Here you'll see options to include buttons, social links, a shopping cart, account access, and even a language switch if you're running a multilingual site. These elements can enhance user experience and make your site more functional. Next, click on Edit Design to adjust the visual aspects of your navigation bar. This is where you can fine-tune the layout, spacing between elements, element spacing, effects, size, and width. Take your time here to make sure everything aligns with your brand's style. Then navigate to the Color tab where you can select whether you want your colors to be solid, gradient, or adaptive. Adaptive colors change based on the content behind them, which can create a really sleek, modern look. Once everything looks good to you, click Save and then click Exit to close the editor. Now, if you want to customize the actual menu items in your navigation, look at the left side of your screen. Under the website section, click on Pages. This is where you manage all the pages on your site. Under Main Navigation, you'll see all the pages currently displayed in your menu. To rearrange them, simply drag and drop each page to where you want it to appear. As you move them around, the navigation menu will automatically adjust to reflect your changes in real time. And that's it. You've successfully customized your Squarespace navigation bar to match your vision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.